was delivering a course last week which needed some app protection policies created for iOS and Android. I spotted a new option that I hadn't seen before, and I realized I didn't even know it existed. It's a way of using conditional launch to prevent someone from using an app outside of working hours. I thought I'd just quickly show you how it works. So from the Intune Admin Center, we need to configure what times we care about, what the working times of those users are. So that is actually going to be in apps, and then at the bottom in policy we have quiet time. Now quiet time has been around for quite a while, and it's been a way of limiting notifications for users. If it's outside of working hours, we can automatically mute notifications. Great idea. Go into policies, choose new policy, and for iOS and Android it's the same thing. I'm going to create a days of week policy, choose create, and this is going to be out of hours. Now, obviously, you could have different hours for different shift workers, maybe, if that's how you want to do it. That's exactly the use case I'm thinking of here. So let's do certain hours, and we're going to require the mute of notifications daily, starting at 6 p.m., and that will be every day of the week, finishing at 7 a.m. Outside of those hours, the user that's targeted by this policy won't receive notifications. So I'll choose next, and next again, and I'm going to go with add groups, and I'm going to go with my marketing team because they shouldn't be working after 6 p.m. Marketing don't need to work out of hours. Choose that, 2 users in that group, and we'll choose next and create. So that's created a quiet time policy, and so they will have the notifications muted. What if you want to go one step further and actually prevent them from working on iOS or Android devices outside of those hours? Let's take a look. We're going to go into app protection policies, and then I'm going to go to iOS and type in block out of hours. Choose next, and this is all apps that I want to block. Choose next. Let's say I already have existing policy that does all of the app protect stuff. If you are interested in app protection stuff, I will find a video that I've already done and link it here, or I'll make one if I can't find one. So I already have all this stuff configured, so I'm going to just leave it as the default and choose next. And the same with the access requirements. That's not what I'm showing you right now. The thing I want to show you is this option down here. We've got select one, which is where you can generally add more things that you care about the application that's launching to see whether it can launch. So here, for example, we have min app version, min SDK version, and whether the account's enabled or not. Also, non-working time. There's nothing else we can select about non-working time other than whether we block access or warn the user. And if you want to just say, look, you might not want to be using this application because it's out of hours, you could choose warn, or you could actually block the user from doing any actions on that app for that particular profile out of hours. I haven't tested this yet. I'm going to test it maybe in a little while. But for now, I'll leave you with that. See you next time.